Welcome to VMware's Virtual SAN Assessment Training. The VSAN assessment tool is a virtualized environment scientific sizing tool. The tool gathers data, reads, writes, capacities as well as performance data from your existing environment, and then applies VMware-specific logic and best practices to output a report that gives guidance for each individual virtual machine, as well as guidance for your cluster for sizing for both capacity and performance from a virtual SAN perspective. The VSAN assessment tool is a virtual appliance that captures data from your virtual centers. This data consists of a virtual machine's allocated CPU and RAM, as well as storage statistics, specifically reads, writes, capacities, and I/O sizes. Additionally, the output will include virtual machine averages, average CPUs, average allotted RAM, and VMDK sizes, not only used capacity, but also allotted capacities as well. Within the results of the Virtual SAN Assessment Tool will be a link to the VMware Online Virtual SAN TCO tool. This link will auto-populate the TCO tool with the information from your environment that the assessment has collected. Once you've worked out the storage design and architecture with the customer, take them to the summary pages and discuss with them, show them the performance, where they are today and what the capacity and performance of the new solution is going to be. Illustrate how much capacity that they're going to have when operation is in regular mode. All of your nodes are up, all of the VMs are running, and then discuss with them what's going to happen during a failure of a node, how some of the storage from that node will go away, but the environment itself, the virtual SAN, will be completely up and running and will still be providing services to all of their environment, not just the remaining hosts, but to all of the virtual machines themselves. As a wrap-up, discuss some of the remaining capabilities within the TCO tool. Generally, I do not spend a great deal of time on the TCO aspect, as talking about FTE allotment and financials is not generally part of the engineering process. Phase 1 of the VSAN assessment is the customer invitation and the VSAN assessment initialization. This phase includes the creation of the assessment at the VMware VIP portal. Phase 2 of the VSAN assessment is a customer-driven phase. During this phase, the customer will install and configure the VSAN assessment appliance, as well as begin the process to collect the data from their virtual centers and their virtual machines. As part of Phase 2, the customer will log into the VIP portal and download the appliance, and will also obtain the activation key. During deployment, the customer will also select the vCenters and ESXi hosts that they wish to capture the data from. The customer will also set the amount of time and will also decide the deployment options for the vSCSI stats VIB. It can be automated if you have DRS enabled, or it can be manually installed onto each ESXi host.
Thanks for taking time to join me today. As always, I hope you found value in these sessions. We've got a lot of great content this quarter. Be sure to subscribe for more updates and videos, and follow me on Twitter for news and updates as they happen. We also have a lot going on inside of services here at VMware. Be sure to look into some of our great new services that are available. Things like the NSX Design and Deploy service, now available from VMware. And if you're a VMware partner, you need to look into our Partner Preferred Services program, where you too can deliver VMware services and learn from our services consultants and professionals inside of our professional services division, so that you can deliver and bring true value and the ultimate in VMware expertise directly to your customers as well. For all this information and more, be sure to follow me on Twitter, and feel free to reach out, and we'll also be able to get you the information you need. Thanks again. I hope you have a fantastic day, and I look forward to talking to you again really soon.